packed up my truck, said goodbye to my phone, left a gone camping sign. Now on my own. No meetings, no emails, no boss breathing down. Just me and the pine trees, far from the town. I'm gone camping and the world can wait. Got a campfire burning and a full dinner plate. The bugs may be biting, the nights might be cold, but this life in the woods is more pure than gold. I traded my Wi-Fi for clear mountain streams. My calendar's now full of blue sky dreams. No traffic, no deadlines, no alarm clocks ring. Just a harmonica and a sleeping bag swing. I'm gone camping and the world can wait. Got a campfire burning and a full dinner plate. The stars keep me company, the moon lights my way. In this tent of mine, I could live every day. There's joy in the dirt and the smoke in my hair. Life's simpler and slower with no need to care. The coyotes might howl, the crickets might sing, but I call it freedom, not missing a thing. I got coffee in my cup, bacon frying on the pan. Waking up by the sunrise wasn't part of the plan. But there's beauty here in nature, it just feels so right. Gone camping for a weekend, or maybe my whole life.